What's up, guys? You know that when you are among the first adopter of a cryptocurrency, when it is first launched, you stand a chance to really gain much value from it, especially when it's a really nice project. All right, so in this video now, this is a very quick video. That's why you should always be subscribed to my channel. This video is about a crypto that just launched today, and to just launch like few minutes from now. What I mean that a crypto that just got launched right now, the name is called Velhalla. All right, Velhalla, and is one of those metaverse cryptocurrency that has the potential to do about 1,000x or 100x. All right, so I deem it fit to just make a detailed tutorial on how to swap it, alright? Because right now, as of the time I'm making this video right now, the contract address is not yet provided on the official Twitter page, but the link to the swapping interface through the Pancake or Dextools is already provided, but not everybody knows how to swap with just copying the link like that. So I'm just going to take you through how to swap it, and you can make your own personal research later, and then you can just make your own personal research later about the cryptocurrency, because I've actually been monitoring it, and just the same way a lot of persons have been doing that, and I see that it's a very, 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 very good project. So I believe that if you can be among the first sort of person that will just get on right now, you can't imagine the potential that it holds. All right, so let's just go through the video right now. Please, this is not a financial advice. I always say that. Even if I don't say that, just know that my video is not actually a financial advice, because I'm not a financial advisor. All right, so you make your own personal research. I only give you a suggestion. I only give you, I only give you a video based on my own personal research. All right, it may not be comfortable to you, but just do your thing. All right. We know how much that a lot of persons are actually going into this metaverse project. All right, now Velhalla is it's a crypto that is launched by this 𝐓𝐫𝐴𝐵. All right, and within the time it's launched, it's the top trending number one. It's trending number one on the search on CoinGecko. All right, I don't think it's on CoinMarketCap yet, as at the time this video is actually being made. All right, so you can see that every information, like I told you from the last video I made about 𝐬𝐫𝐴𝐵, all right, how I made a mistake, how I followed the YouTuber, and then some YouTubers that are actually showing how to swap, and I didn't know that it was actually a scam kind of swap. So every information that is that you need from a coin should be from their official page. All right, so now look at their official page now. All right, this is you can check the coin on CoinGecko, and you see it there. All right, now I'm just here to show you how to swap it on Trust Wallet. Okay, how to swap it on Trust Wallet. So now if you scroll all the way down here, you see 𝐻𝐫𝐴𝐵. You can swap it on 𝐻𝐫𝐵. You can swap it on Dextools as well. All right, that's Dextools. I don't know if I get the pronunciation right. Now this is what you actually need to do. This because this video is particularly on how to get this coin for yourself, now that it is actually as hot as it is right now. Now, because this coin is actually going to do pretty well on the long run. It's going to do a lot more well in the future. So now that is based on my own personal discretion. You can see that their Twitter page is about 110.5k followers. All right, so now let's go back to that tweet. All right, see the tweet right here. Now as soon as I'm done with this video, I'm going to paste this swap link in the description of this video, and paste as well the contract ID of the coin, because after swapping it, you can check the swap on BScan, so you can actually check out the contract ID. So I'll also paste that in the description of this video, and paste their Twitter link so that you can actually check it out for yourself. All right, to verify the information within. All right, so now you're gonna have to copy this right here. All right, let me tap on this. Let me tap on this link to copy it. All right, copy it, and then when you copy the link, you have to now with that link that you copy, go to your Trust wallet. All right. If you are using MetaMask, you should be using the browser. So go to your Trust wallet and now go to this the D apps. All right, that's the dApps. Then paste the link that you just copy in the browser section. All right, and hit enter, and it will automatically take you to Trust wallet. All right, it will automatically take you to to the Pancakeswap, and it will automatically add up the coin on its own. All right, so now you can see that the coin is actually added right here, just as you can see here is added already, and then against BNB, but you can see that there is no value displayed for your BNB. If and you need to connect your wallet, and before you can actually connect your wallet, now you need to make sure that here is this top here is smart chain. So tap there to smart chain. All right, so that once you change there to smart chain, in most cases, just like in my own cases right now, the wallet will automatically connected on its own. All right, then you can enter the value of BNB that you want to use to swap this coin. All right, for me there's not much BNB here, so let me enter 0.001. All right, this is low. I already swap. You can see I already have some quantity that I'll swap right here. Okay, so let me assume I just enter this amount of BNB with a 1% slippage. You can swap this coin. All right, based on the traffic, that was actually on right here, uh the swapping most times gave me some errors. All right, initially, but I needed to swap it the second time because the traffic was a bit much. All right, now if you get to this interface and you have enough balance, you should be able to swap your Velhalla. You should be able to swap your Velhalla without having any issue. So it's just as simple as that. No two ways about it. All right, so if you are able to do this successfully, if this video was helpful to you, please comment in the comment section. All right, so please subscribe to this channel and enable the notification bell button, so that, in fact, I need to say that I need to see your face when I'm saying that. You need to see my face so that you understand what I'm saying. Now, do you see the reason why you should subscribe to my channel? Because there are some updates I bring to you that is actually that needs an urgent attention. All right, how would you know that getting on a project early enough could actually make you a potential millionaire? You wouldn't. All right, and how would you know some projects that are actually on? That's when you subscribe to a channel that gives you update on how to go about them, so that you won't lose your funds. All right, now there's one more thing that you need to understand. After the swap, the coin will not reflect in your wallet immediately. All right, it will reflect in your wallet immediately. Now this is how to actually add it up. Actually add it up. Now, immediately the swap is done, you will see that it will give you will see the transaction will be shown here. All right, not there. All right, the transaction will be shown to you. Let's say, for instance, right here. All right. So now, what you actually need to do this is transaction right here. This is how much was actually used. All right, this transaction will be shown. You see more, click more details. So you click on that more details right there. Now, when you do click on that more details, you will see the name of the coin here, Velhalla. I don't know if I'm getting the pronunciation right here. All right. Now, what you need to do is you click on it. All right. When you click on it, as at the time I was making this video, all right, I swapped mine. It was about 16,000 holders, but right now it's about 19,000 holders. All right. Then click on this, copy the contract ID, and then you know how to do that yourself, right? For most persons that don't know how to do it, I just have to let me just complete this tutorial. Now, when you copy that contract ID, you see this section of your wallet that says add token. This section here, that's where you add the token, then paste it right there. In most cases, it will not come up, so you need to add it as a custom token, change it from Ethereum to smart chain, and paste it in, and boom, done. The token is added to automatically reflect. All right, I actually got this at about $260, or just like you can see there, about 250 something dollars to $260. Or is it? That's 0.4 BNB. Okay, $252. But you can see there what is actually reflecting is about 140 dollars worth of Velhalla, all right, which means it's like I actually got it at about 0.80 cents, all right. I think so, yeah. Is it 0.60 cent? Yeah, I actually got it about 0.60 cent. All right, so let's wait for it to just let's just be hopeful. All right, subscribe to my channel later. See you later.